Welcome back in the shop. Today I want to share with you a small project I made regarding the bandsaw and the metal bandsaw. The concern I have with the metal bandsaw is the fact that when I have a long cutting operation, I need to add some oil, and I did this operation by hand. So I cannot let the bandsaw do its job. I need to be very close to the machine to have a survey and to avoid any kind of trouble. And the last week I was working on the CNC machine, and I was letting alone my bandsaw, and that you can see here, I break it because there is a lack of oil. So I thought about a small project, and I can show you here. I have a small tank with a small pipe, and this tank was provided with my magnetic drilling machine, and the purpose of it is to add some oil or some lubricant during the drilling operation. When I use it on my CNC machine, I do not need this tank. So I have an idea to create a new device that will make some drop on the bandsaw. So I will show you the project. So you will need a piece of angle. I only use some scrap, small piece of angle, another piece of aluminium, a small aluminium plate, of course the tank, and you have also the proper device to close and to make a, let's say, regulation for the drop. There is a collar on the back, and you need some screw and also some copper pipe. I use a copper because it's only the good dimension about what I need to make this small project. So the first thing I create a small bracket, and this small bracket will go on the top of the bandsaw. I drill and tap 2 holes there to receive the bracket, and then I create another bracket, as you can see here. So I make it with the wires to bend the aluminium. I add a copper pipe, and I put a small screw to secure the pipe. So I will set up this device on the bandsaw and share with you the result and how it works. So I'll be back in a second. So I made a setup with the tank. So you can see the bracket, the flat one that is secure in the tank. Then I put the other brackets at around 90 degrees. Yeah, the pipe coming from the tank is entering inside the copper pipe, and it just go over the saw. So it's a good way to make the lubrication. If I start the machine, you can see that it's the entry point, and the bandsaw go this way. So the drop will go down and go this way. I can control the drop with a small device here, so you can see. See the lube getting gently to the machine. There is some bubble, and after that the oil will drop to the saw and make the lubrication to the part of saw. Drop arriving very slowly. some drop coming from the pipe. So a little bit more, and you will see the drop on the benzo. So it's a very good way to work and let the machine run like that, and you can control the drop. So pretty nice device. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to close the valve if you do not want to have oil on the next morning on the floor. The other thing that you need to take care, when I put this screw and this one, I have to drill and tap the hole. So before making this operation, I go to the back here, remove the back, and I want to be sure that there is no contact with the wheel or anything else. So if you want to do the same thing, just be careful about this point. So I hope it will help some of you if you do not have some lubrication and lube on your benzo, and it's a very cheap and easy way to add some dropping oil on the saw. So thanks for watching, and see you for the next episode.